Hello children, I hope you are feeling fine. Welcome to this special English hour where we will learn lots of new things and have fun. Are you all ready? Let's get started. We'll start our day with our fun tongue twister. Do you all remember the tongue twister? Yes, it was a bit difficult. I was not able to say it fast. Let's give it a try once again. क्या आपको वो टंग ट्विस्टर याद है? The tongue twister was black background, brown background. Let's try to say this faster. I will say this 5 times. Black background, brown background, black background, brown background, black background, brown background. Oops. I'm still not able to say this. This is very difficult. I hope you were able to do it. Now, let's learn some new words. You will see these words in the story when we read it. So, I request you to please make a note of these words and try to guess what they mean. आज हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखेंगे. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप इन शब्दों को अपने नोटबुक में लिखें और गेस करने की कोशिश करें कि इन शब्दों का क्या अर्थ है. Churchyard, churchyard, churchyard. The churchyard has beautiful arches. Supper, supper, supper. That night, they finished their supper early. Hid, hid, hid. The old man hid the gold under the ground. Frightened, frightened, frightened. Thomas was frightened after watching the horror movie. Grave, grave, grave. His sons visited his grave every year. Children, I hope you remember these words and you were able to guess what they mean. Now, let's read an interesting story. This story is from your textbook. So, children, please open page number 45 of your textbook. The name of the story is Teeny Tiny. I will be reading this story for you and I request you to point at the words as I read them. And if you don't have your textbook, listen to me carefully. आज हम एक कहानी पढ़ेंगे. इस कहानी का नाम है टीनी टाइनी. मैं ये कहानी आपके लिए पढ़ूंगी और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में पॉइंट करें. और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक ना हो तो आप मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. Once upon a time, there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Now, one day, this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny way, she came to a teeny tiny gate. So the teeny tiny woman opened the teeny tiny gate and went into a teeny tiny churchyard. This story is about a teeny tiny woman. This woman lives in a teeny tiny village, and we see that this woman goes to a teeny tiny churchyard. Have you heard this word before? Yes, we spoke about it a while ago. Do you all know what a churchyard is? A churchyard is an area where people are buried. ये कहानी एक टीनी टाइनी औरत के बारे में है। क्या आपको पता है टीनी टाइनी का अर्थ क्या होता है? टीनी टाइनी यानी छोटा। तो ये कहानी एक टीनी टाइनी औरत के बारे में है जो एक टीनी टाइनी गांव में रहती है। और यहाँ पे लेखक कहते हैं कि टीनी टाइनी औरत एक चर्चयार्ड जाती है। एंड व्हेन this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave. And the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self, "This teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper." And the teeny tiny woman goes to the churchyard. And what does she see there? She sees a grave. Do you all know what a grave is? A grave is where a dead person is buried. And on top of this grave, she sees a bone. How would you feel if you saw a bone on a grave? Won't you be scared? I would be. But the teeny tiny woman wasn't scared. She thought that she would take this bone and make a soup out of it. Teeny tiny woman जब चर्चयार्ड पहुंचती है तो वो देखती है कि एक कब्र पर एक हड्डी होती है। कोई भी मामूली इंसान ये देख के डर जाएगा, पर टीनी टाइनी वुमन वो हड्डी अपने घर ले जाती है। So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket and went home to her teeny tiny house. Now, when the teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, she was a teeny tiny bit tired. So, she went up to her teeny tiny stairs to her teeny tiny bed and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. And when this teeny tiny woman had been to sleep a teeny tiny time, she was awakened by a teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard, which said, "Give me my bone." Now, the teeny tiny woman decided that she will make supper out of this bone. Have you all heard the word supper? Yes, we spoke about it a while ago. Do you all know what supper is? Supper is the last meal of the day. So, the teeny tiny woman took the bone and decided to make supper out of it. So, she picked up the bone and she went to her house. But when she reached her house, she was a bit tired. So, she decided to sleep for a while. She removes the bone from her bag and puts it in her cupboard. And then she decides to go to sleep. As she was about to go to sleep, she hears a very dangerous sound. And what does this sound say? It says, "Give me my bone." She was very scared now. टीनी टाइनी औरत उस हड्डी को लेके अपने घर पहुंचती है। घर पहुंच के वो सोचती है कि वो थोड़ी देर आराम करे। जब वो आराम कर रही होती है, उसे अपने अलमारी से एक डरावनी आवाज सुनाई देती है। ये आवाज किसकी होती है? ये आवाज उस हड्डी की होती है और वो हड्डी ये कहती है कि मुझे मेरी हड्डी वापस दे दो। This made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened. So she hid her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny clothes. And when the teeny tiny woman had been to sleep again a teeny tiny time, the teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard said again a teeny tiny louder, "Give me my bone." And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit more frightened. But she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes and said in her loudest teeny tiny voice, "Take it!" Now the teeny tiny woman was a bit scared. So she put her head under the sheets and started trembling. After a while, she fell asleep. But she heard a loud noise again. And this time, the voice was very loud. And the voice said, "Give me my bone." But the woman did not budge. She took a few more clothes and went down under it. And she again tried to sleep. But the voice did not stop there. It grew louder. Now, the teeny tiny woman was frightened. So, she decided to give the bone back. टीनी टाइनी वुमन बहुत डर चुकी थी और वो आवाज और बड़ी होती जा रही थी। आखिरकार टीनी टाइनी वुमन ने हार मान ली और उसने डर के कहा कि तुम ये हड्डी ले लो। चिल्ड्रन, what we read was a story. Can you all tell me What type of story this was? This was a horror story, but it was also a bit funny, right? We had fun while reading this story because of the teeny tiny woman. We also saw that the writer uses the phrase teeny tiny all the time. He does this to bring a fun element to our story. These type of stories are very famous. There are many types of stories with old women in it. Do you know of such a story? If you do, share it with your friends. We read this wonderful story. Now, let's revise the new words that we learned today. First was churchyard. Next was grave. Third was hid. Fourth was frightened. And fifth was supper. Now, let's do an activity. In the story, we saw that the writer uses one word repeatedly. The word was teeny tiny. Do you know what these words are called? They are called compound words. They are called compound words because they are two separate words which together make one word. हमने इस कहानी में देखा कि लेखक बार बार एक शब्द का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। वो शब्द है टीनी टाइनी। ऐसे शब्दों को अंग्रेजी में कंपाउंड वर्ड्स कहा जाता है। जब हम दो अलग शब्द यूज करके एक नया शब्द बनाते हैं, उसे कंपाउंड वर्ड्स कहते हैं। नाउ फॉर द एक्टिविटी you will see a few words on your screens. These will be half. You have to add the second half to these words to create new words. अभी आपको आपके स्क्रीन पे कुछ शब्द दिखाई देंगे। ये शब्द अधूरे हैं। आपको एक नया शब्द जोड़ के इन शब्दों को पूरा करना है। Can we try it? Come on. Children, wasn't that an easy activity? Let's try to have a look at the answers. First is Incy Wincy, just like the rhyme Incy Wincy Spider. Next is Tick Tock. This is the sound that a clock makes. Next, we have Flip Flop. Fourth is Hickory Dickory, just like the nursery poem Hickory Dickory Dock. After that, we have Chit Chat. Don't our mothers tell us that we should not chit chat while eating? Next is Crisscross. And the last is Bow Wow, like the sound of the dog. Children, now let's do an activity. Today, we will learn about helping verbs or auxiliary verbs and main verbs. I will write a few sentences. My first sentence is She was a teeny tiny bit tired. Now, my second sentence is She had a dog. Now, my third sentence is she does all the hard work. Now, the first sentence is she was a teeny tiny bit tired. Here, was is the past form of be. In the second sentence is she had a dog. Now here, had is the past form of has. In the last sentence, she does all the hard work. Here, does is the past tense of the action do. Now, these type of words are called auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are words that help an action. Here, the action is hard work. But to add an action to it, we use the word does, which helps the action. So, these type of words are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Helping verbs are those verbs that help an action to create a meaningful sentence. Was, had और does, इन्हें हम auxiliary verbs कहते हैं. Auxiliary verbs वो verbs होते हैं जो कोई भी action को help करते हैं एक correct sentence बनाने के लिए. Usually, we use auxiliary verbs to create questions, negative sentence, and to change the tense of the sentences. Now, on your screen, you will see a few sentences. First, you have to underline the main verb in those sentences. Let's give it a try. Children, were you able to find the main verb in these sentences? Let's have a look. Here, the main verb is know. The second sentence was, did you see the bird? Here, the main verb or action is see. The third sentence was, what did she say? Here, the main verb is say. Now, the last question was, what does she want? Here, the main verb is want. Now, let's do another activity. In this activity, you will see a few sentences on your screen. Just like we underlined the main verbs in the previous activity, now we will underline the auxiliary verbs. अब हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. इस एक्टिविटी में आपको आपके स्क्रीन पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिखाई देंगे. आपको इन सेंटेंसेस में जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है उसे अंडरलाइन करना है. कम ऑन, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Children, I hope you have got the correct answers. Let us solve them together now. The first statement is, he is a good dancer. Here, the auxiliary verb is. The second is, Do you want to watch a movie? Here, the auxiliary verb is do. The third statement is she has given a tough fight. Here, the auxiliary verb is has. The next sentence is you are very smart. Here, the auxiliary verb is are. And now, the final statement is, can I come to your party? Here, the auxiliary verb is can. Now, for homework, I request you to narrate the story that we learned today to your family and friends. I will end this session on that note. And now, I will see you in our next session. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye.